Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, and we're making a video for Expert Village. Today we are making a cell phone holder or a glasses holder, and we have our bottom all done, and this is the top part. We're going to attach this bottom part just by sewing it on with our wire, and we're just going to go in from the cell phone holder part onto the bottom, and just sew it in and out just like we were doing with the needle and thread. We're going to keep one end open, and this will be for the cord, so that at night when you put your cell phone in your cell phone holder, the cord will come up through the bottom and it will be able to charge while it's sitting in the cell phone. And so we're just sewing this on around the bottom. When we get it all sewed on and we have left the bottom part, the edge open, we are going to make sure that the ends of the wires are tucked in and folded. And we're going to take the edge of our pliers. We're going to take our pliers and go around the edge of the bottom with the pliers, smashing the wire, making sure that it's all neatly flattened together.